In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your HostPapa server, specifically tailored for advanced users. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through this quick tutorial step by step, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to the HostPapa dashboard by typing in the URL https www.hostpapa.com// dashboard/. Once there, you'll need to authenticate yourself by entering your email and password. Make sure you use your most recent login credentials to avoid any issues accessing your account. After logging in, locate your hosting account and click on My cPanel. This is where all your core website management features reside. When you're in cPanel, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. This is a crucial area because it allows you to manage key server settings. If you're confident using command line access, you can click on Terminal for direct control over your server activities. Terminal access can be quite powerful, so make sure you proceed with caution. Returning to cPanel, navigate towards Select PHP Version or Multi-PHP INI Editor. This is where you can modify essential settings to optimize your site's performance. You might want to adjust the PHP version or alter configurations that suit your website's needs. After fine-tuning these settings, be sure to click on Save to ensure your changes are applied. Back in the Advanced section, you can engage terminal hotkeys to execute server-level commands. Whether you're aiming to restart scripts, update crucial files, or manage user permissions, Terminal Access offers the flexibility to run commands like gmod755 public-atml. Doing so sets the correct permissions for your files, crucial for security and functionality. Now let's switch to File Manager. Inside, head over to the public/HTML directory. Here, you can edit the .htaccess file, an important file for controlling redirect rules, access permissions, and other server behaviors. Insert entries like options what indexes to beef up security by preventing directory listing. When you're done making adjustments, remember to click Save Changes to preserve the configurations. With changes completed, a critical step is to clear your browser cache. This action removes old data and ensures that you view the most current state of your website. Finally, inspect your website to confirm that the server updates have been successfully implemented and everything is working as expected. And there you have it. You've just learned how to manage and edit your HostPapa server like a pro. With practice, these steps can become second nature, empowering you to maintain a smooth, efficient, and secure web environment. Thank you for joining me on this advanced tutorial, and stay tuned for more insightful guides and tips.